Welcome back to the another big match between Bolivia versus Qatar. The match has been started. Medina is now leading the ball. Nicely passed. Algaranas. Beautiful touch by the defender. Jaffer Ghazam for this time. Yusha. Yusha is now leading the ball. Beautiful pass to Fariduddin. Nicely passed to Farouk. Talat is now leading the ball. There's a chance for Qatar. Directed and goal. Just after 8 minutes, Jaffer Ghazanfar did magnificent goal. That is appreciated goal. Directly hit to the net. Beautiful execution by Jaffer Ghazanfar. Bolivia 0, Qatar 1 just after the first 10 minutes. Bolivia is now under pressure because just start of the game, Qatar got the first goal. The player was outside of the line. Habib Imtiaz. Azule. Martinez this time leading the ball. Touch to the player Fariduddin. Nicely cleared by the goalkeeper. Chance. Algaranas directed and goal. Just after 20 minutes, Algaranas executed magnificent goal. No mistake. Directly hit to the net. Beautiful pass. Had it. And magnificent strategy by Algaranas. Just after 20 minutes, both teams are on equal points. Bolivia come back with the attack. Qatar was not expecting that goal by Algaranas. Algaranas again hit but outside of the pole. Magnificent goal done by Algaranas. Azule. Medina. Beautiful pass to Yusha. Chance. Jaffer Ghazanfar again. Big chance but nicely clear by the defender. There will be throw. Habib Imtiaz is now throwing the ball. Nice throw, Azule. Lewis. Nicely passed, but Fariduddin was there. Jaffer Ghazanfar again. Barak. Nicely clear. 39 minutes have been passed. Still both team players are on equal points. Martinez this time leading the ball. Beautiful pass to Algaranas. Churu, Jason. Algaranas directed, defended. Beautifully cleared by the defender. That was the pure goal, but beautifully defended. Half of the time has been over. Second half has been started. In the first half, both team players got their first goal. Let's see what will happen in the second half. Who will take the first lead now after achieving their first goal? Algaranas again leading the ball. Beautiful pass to Jason. There is a chance. Passing to Algaranas. But defended. Hajnef. Talat Shahid. The ball is outside of the line. Talat Shahid. Shot Farouk. Nadir Fariduddin. Big chance but clear by the defender. Fariduddin again. Jaffer Ghazanfar. Azule direct hit and goal. After 63 minutes, Azule did magnificent goal. Beautifully executed, nice passing strategy. Good combination between the players are seen. Directly hit to the net. Bolivia 1, Qatar 2. Qatar is now leading by 1 goal. Qatar is again leading after 63 minutes. Now Bolivia should have to make a strategy to come back like in first half. Let's see what will happen. Algaranas, beautiful pass, directed and goal. Bolivia is again come back. Jose Martinez did magnificent goal. Here is a recap. Algaranas, beautiful pass and Jose Martinez directly hit to the net. Touch to the goalkeeper leg. Here is a recap. Slow motion, touch to the leg and hit to the net. After 70 minutes, both team players are on equal points. What a nice comeback by Bolivia. Both times he replied by achieving goal. Algaranas this time. Hajnef. Fariduddin. Shot Farouk. Only 10 minutes remaining for this game to be completed. Fernandez. Hajnef. Shot Farouk leading. Matthews was there to clear the ball. Jose Martinez again. Beautiful pass to Algaranas. Romero. Martinez again defended. Algaranas, this time again beautiful pass, but again defended. The time is over. Extra time has been started. Let's see what will happen in the extra time. Still both team players are on equal points. If still both team players could not achieve the goal, then penalties will decide. Only 10 minutes remaining for this game to be completed. Nicely pass. Romero. Weca. Chance. Bolivia team players putting their 100% to achieve the goal. Let's see whether they will achieve or not. Beautiful pass. Talat Shahid. This time Qatar is attacking. Fariduddin. Direct hit but outside of the pole. The time is over. Now penalties will decide. Jason, the first kicker, hitting the ball. Hit and goal. Bolivia won. Sina. Hit and goal. Both teams are on equal points. Jose Martinez. Here is going and goal. Bolivia 2. Let's see what will happen by Qatar. Hit and defended. Qatar is in loss. Bolivia 2, Qatar 1. Algaranas, the third goal. Hit and goal. Bolivia is leading by 1 goal. Azule, let's see. Hit and defended. Again Qatar in loss. Bolivia 3, Qatar 1. Weca, beautifully executed, and Bolivia team players won this match.